AMD a 32-core performance benchmark Ryzen Threadripper 2990WX, which shows that it is surpassing Intel's flagship Core i9-7980XE chip. It is considered as the most powerful desktop processor in the world, and in the Cinebench R15 CPU benchmark it reached 5099 on average. That compares to a score of 3.335 for the Intel Core i9-7980XE, which is an 18-core processor, and means that the AMD chip is 53% faster than its rival flagship. Of course, while the 7980XE might be the most robust chip in the Core series at this time, its core count is considerably less than the Threadripper 2990WX. While Intel has 28 cores on the horizon, capable of running at a speed of 5 GHz, that particular processor will cost a fortune and will not be used for consumer PCs. It's also worth noting that AMD performed this Cinebench test in particular on June 26, so it was a while ago, and it used a sample 2990WX chip. Which means that the final production version of the processor will run even faster. Specification details of the Threadripper 2990WX have already spilled, and the chip is expected to achieve a 3 GHz base clock with a 4 GHz increase in its 32 cores. And it will conduct a little more in a single core, reaching an increase of up to 4.2 GHz.